The following segment is sponsored by Hilton Salt Lake City Center.
I am in the kitchen with Chef Tony from Hilton Salt Lake City Center, and of course Spencer's. If you've been to the restaurant, you know it. It's amazing. Chef Tony, great to see you.
Great to see you as well, Carrie. Thanks for having us.
Of course, we're excited to have you here. Okay, before we get to this delicious salad, let's talk about honey with purpose. This is so cool.
Yes, so honey with purpose, what that is Hilton started something called Travel with Purpose, which is all about sustainability. Here at the Hilton Salt Lake City Center in 2019, we partnered with Bees Brothers, and what that is, we started Honey with Purpose. So they came out, they put out some beehives. We have 4 of them.
At the hotel, which is so cool.
It's very, very cool. So every year they come out, we have 1,000 bees to start with. By the end of the season, we end up having about 40,000 bees, which supply about 14 right now gallons of honey for us to utilize in all different kinds of things, from all our multiple restaurants, Trophy and Spencer's, as well as our banquets.
Of course, you can try the delicious honey in some of their cocktails too, which is so delicious. Okay, what about the herb gardens too?
So the herb gardens, we found a local gardener. And what they do on Trophy Patio, they actually plant all different types of things for us. So it started off with just herbs. This year, actually, though, I have them planting fresh tomatoes, fresh cucumbers, some edible flowers. So we're very excited about that.
That's what you guys are known for. Like, everything is really fresh. Okay, speaking of that, let's make this salad.
Yes.
Where do we start?
So right now, these are just, this is actually a salad you can get on the Spencer's menu.
Okay.
We call it the beaten brambleberry because Utah is known for their brambleberries.
Love it.
Specifically, blackberries and raspberries. So right now, we're just going to start with some of our local honey.
Okay.
And we're just going to be adding in a 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice.
Yum.
A 1/4 cup of fresh orange juice.
Keyword is fresh here. That's what they do.
Yes, absolutely. And then I have a little bit of the champagne vinegar, about another 1/4 cup.
Okay.
And that honey is going to act as our emulsifier. So that's going to blend this all together for us. And the honey is not quite warmed up yet, so we'll just get that stirred in there.
I'm wondering if you get a larger whisk too, Tony.
Right?
Find one for you.
Well,
need it for that.
typically at a restaurant, we're making this stuff in big batches.
Of course, of course.
It makes sense. So
Oh, I can smell that already. That smells so
fantastic.
good.
We have some really nice, good extra virgin olive oil. We're going to start pouring that very slowly.
Okay.
And this is really simple to make at home, too. It's just a few simple ingredients, but the focus is fresh.
It's fresh.
Yep.
Okay,
so
and then we're going to
emulsify that in.
Are you going to mix that in with it, or do you kind of just drizzle it over?
We're going to just drizzle that on top today, I think.
Okay.
So we're just going to take that. If you like to mix, you can definitely mix. This is what you call a broken vinaigrette, where it's just the
kind of drizzled over it. Okay, and then tell me what I can do to help too.
So absolutely. So today we have some watermelon radishes, we have some purple ninja radishes, some crumbled pistachios. So you can just kind of mix and match and decorate as you will.
I'm not going to be as good as you, Tony, but I'm going to try.
Fine. That's just fine.
He is the professional, so don't judge me, people.
And we have some lovely beets. So here on the base of this salad is a whipped goat cheese that we actually put some more fresh lemon and some more of our fresh honey inside of that. Whip it till it's nice and silky smooth.
Okay, we've got about 30 seconds left. What do we put on top, Tony?
All right, we're going to put some pistachios on top there just for a little bit of crunch.
Okay, and don't forget their delicious meat at Spencer's. Oh my gosh.
Spencer's, and again, we do try to do everything local, so we source all of our meats through Wasatch Meats. We have some beautiful Wagyu fillets. We have all different types of great seafoods that you can be adding to this salad. So just a lot of really good fresh stuff going on. So good,
and look at this. Make sure and go down. You can go for lunch too. They're open for lunch.
Yes, we're now open for lunch.
Where can we go for more information too?
You can go to spencerslc.com. That is our brand new website. We just rolled out this last year. A lot of great information on there. You can book reservations and come join us for a delicious meal.
I'm eating this now. Tony, thanks so much. High five.
Thank you.
Great job. Good to see you.
Good to see you.